Okay, Captain Hank here. The other day I did a video on the flooding here in Liberty, Texas, in the Trinity River. And the other day we was looking at it, and it was just coming up in the parking lot of Tiger Harry's Riverside Camp here in Liberty, Texas. But it has inundated this place now, and it's done covered the whole restaurant here. As you can see, this is the street way down. It's extensive flooding here, and so it's way up here. And so we're going to walk down here, and I'm going to show you some more footage of the flooding here in Liberty, Texas. This is the restaurant here, and as you see, it goes all the way down to the Trinity River. And so I'm going to cut it off here, and then I'm going to get some more footage down here. Just give me a minute, and I'll be right back with you. All right, I made it back. There's the railroad trestle that we was filming the other day. The water is completely up to it now. And that's the Trinity River in the background here at Highway 90 in Liberty, Texas. And you look across here, and this is the parking lot that we was filming from the other day, and it's completely inundated now. All of these, it looks like the house in the background is getting water in it now. It's all the way up to the front porch now. The water goes all the way down this way to the other highway that I showed you earlier. This part of the country here, like many parts of Texas, is just covered with water, flooding. This is not localized flooding. This is widespread flooding. And Backwoods Baby was out there talking to some people earlier at the parking lot of 7-Eleven, and they were saying that in the South Liberty oil field that the water hadn't reached the Duff place, but it's like an island out there. It's covered everything up. The water has come up so high that they was cast netting and catching crawfish in the ditch on at the 7-Eleven and Highway 90 here in Liberty. That's how extensive this flooding is. And it's widespread throughout Texas. It's not localized. And so if you look back up this way is the river bridge, and they've got the right lane closed because Highway 90, parts of Highway 90 is closed in between Dayton and Liberty, Texas. And so Backwoods and I here in a minute are going to try and walk up that way and get some footage of the Trinity River now that they've got that lane blocked off. It's safe that we might be able to walk up there and to get some footage. And so I'll get back to you here shortly, and we'll see if we can get you that footage of the river up there. So just hang tight for a little bit. Okay, we made it up on the river bridge here, and Backwoods Baby, I was trying to tell her I was about to start filming, and she was hollering, look at that big fish, look at that big fish. Evidently the fish are still turning here in the parking lot of Tiger Harry's. Oh yeah, I see it over there, they're kicking. I don't know if you see that in the video, but there is a big fish over there. So it is, as you can see, it has come on up, and it is hitting the railroad tracks now. As you can see, the river is really churning. The water is hitting the bridge over there, the railroad tracks. We haven't been hearing many trains come by, so I guess they. Have you been hearing many trains, Backwoods? Not many trains. Okay, so evidently the river is still rising from the rain, I guess. And so there's been a lot of people stopping and taking pictures, posting them online and social media and sharing it, because this is, as a matter of fact, we have a man right here taking a picture now. He's walked further up on the bridge. He must be a little bit braver than what I am. He's getting on out there, taking him a picture. There he is, folks. So a lot of people are stopping, taking pictures of this historical flood. So another fish jumped right there. You can see the wake. As usual, thank you for watching Backwoods Baby and Captain Hank. Okay, folks, Backwoods Baby talked me into getting up here a little closer to the river. She said I couldn't be scared all of my life, and so we're getting you a closer close-up of the flooding. It is widespread. That's so there you have it. More kind of close-up view. You can see the water running there. All right, we're going to get off this bridge. As usual, thank you for watching Backwoods Baby, Captain Hank.